So good morning to one and all. Today we are going to see in detail the stream pyramid. Now what is meant by stream pyramid? Stream pyramid is actually how do we say it is required. First I will tell you the need for stream pyramid. Okay students. So it is required for a student to identify his choice of study in higher education. Alright. So every education by itself definitely involves holistic education, that is lifelong learning. So after that the next is STEM. What is STEM? Primary education is STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Then later arts was also collaborated into this STEM. STEM was initially only the professional science, technology, engineering and arts. So in science, we can see what are the professional branches. Okay, biology, chemistry, physics, biotechnology, and we may add few more branches. So in technology, what are the branches? Transportation, power and energy, construction, communication, other things. In engineering, we have chemical, mechanical, fluid and system, and we can add others. In maths, it's algebra, geometry, trig and calculus, whereas in arts, it is fine arts, manual art, language, physical and social sciences. Physical sciences, social sciences, or it could be language. So from universal, we are traveling to interdisciplinary, from interdisciplinary transitioning to discipline specific, from discipline specific to content specific. Now, if a student wants to study in detail about mechanical, so what stream is he supposed to choose? So he is supposed to choose engineering. In engineering, he is supposed to choose mechanical. That means he can become a bachelor of engineer in mechanical. Otherwise, okay, now he wants to go for communication. So he can choose a STEM with art, and then he can choose technology, B.Tech in communication. He can do B.Tech in communication. So now this STEAM pyramid is useful for a student to say, for example, now I want to do I want to study something in related to language. I am not interested in these things. So how do I know? Holistic is the common education that is common to every human being, every student as well. Now from there I will choose arts. Okay, I want to study arts. That is in STEAM pyramid. I will identify that my discipline is arts. Then coming to arts, art is the specific discipline I have to choose in arts, and in arts I am going to choose a particular language. Language, maybe I may want to study Tamil literature. If I want to study that, I will choose. So I know I have as a student studying in 12th standard, I have a clear cut goal what I want to study, what is the education that I want to pick. So this is the reason why STEAM pyramid is introduced in education, and at the same time another reason is that to encourage interdisciplinary. First is interdisciplinary and collaborative education, which is also very much important for an engineer and also for any stream of education. We will see in detail about the STEAM pyramid. Okay. So we can see that STEM education was introduced in order to improve the competitiveness in science and technology in the US in 2003. So what's STEM? As I said, science, technology, engineering and mathematics in an integrated way. In 2007, arts was included inside STEM and STEAM was introduced because Yakman, he felt that by STEAM education we can increase the relevance to real life and interest. That means STEM, the relevance of STEM to real life is improved, and many educators and scholars included a unified art in STEM education, which is called as STEAM. So why is art required in science? Because science provides a methodological tool in art, and art provides a creative model in the development of science. So I hope this is very much understandable why art is required. Because now we are saying in school, you students might have heard your teachers always saying that do out of box thinking, out of box thinking. Whereas when once you come into engineering stream, now you are in first year, you will always hear, after when you move to your streams, you will hear your professors telling you, you should have creative thinking. What is the novelty? Whenever you are coming up with an idea, they will ask you, what is the novelty? What is the innovation? What is the creativity? So you must think in a creative way. So for that, art is important and plays an important role as well. Now, science uses imagination and emotion, thinking that power of visualization principle of art, and art uses scientific discoveries and principles of science. So I hope I have made it clear why art is required in STEM education. So we see that the STEAM pyramid was built to help educators and students see the subjects involved in STEAM and the learning approaches practiced at each level. So now understanding the framework is very important for teachers so that they can provide teaching plan and activity and make it clear to the student that which field he or she is interested in, and they can choose. For example, science involves biology, chemistry, physics, biochemistry, geoscience, and so on. This knowledge allows students to know which field they are interested in and what is the potential of each field. That is, for example, if I am a student, I may be interested in a particular field, but I will not know what is the potential in that field. For example, see, if I am interested in science, then STEAM pyramid helps me to understand that the various fields involved in science are biology, chemistry, physics, biochemistry, geoscience, and so on. Depending on this and my interest, I can choose one of the streams as my specialization and plan for my future. So this STEAM education is a complete educational model, and it is applied in teaching learning in primary schools. Especially it is used in first year science subjects. So what are the benefits of STEAM education? We will see one by one what are the benefits. So first one is it can attract students in science subjects. So after attracting students, it can increase their interest in science subjects, and also this is because the STEAM approaches using experimental teaching methods, simulation, projects, technology, and visits allow students to learn through experience. And the value of collaboration is the value of art, that is ability to collaborate and interact in groups. So therefore, STEAM is important in ensuring that creative students can be born and can solve problems while they work in the class. Now, these skills will be able to guarantee an effort to provide multi-skilled workforce. So, in STEAM education, one of the key features, most important feature is collaborative teaching, collaboration of different fields. So, what is collaborative teaching? Collaboration in teaching learning product can mm, uh, uh, help the students to be more tolerant, cooperative, respect others and the environment, and understand the concept of socializing. So STEAM can help improve social relations among students through active learning, questioning and discussion activities. So transdiscipline through STEAM can help solve problems in society. Now various inventions such as technological and scientific innovation can ease the burden of society while doing work. For example, humans are nowadays using robots to perform even daily tasks like sweeping, sending and picking up goods and discussing, and these are a result of STEAM education. Now, STEAM, when combined with arts, can help strengthen the foundation of science, and pupils use a variety of ways to produce their products based on science concepts through art. So, because art brings a kind of innovation, therefore, we can apply art to science concept as well. So, from this opinion, the researchers found that arts can help improve STEM education, okay, at primary school level. Now, art skills are directly related to science teaching skill, especially in primary schools. So the combination of arts and STEM has produced a perfect teaching known as STEAM. Through STEAM, students can learn science in a more interesting way, fun and easy way to remember science facts.